Hey friends, hey, thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, my name is Symone, your new favorite cash stuffer. If you're not new, then it is just your favorite cash stuffer. Today we are going to be cash stuffing my sinking funds envelopes and binders for the very first time for the year. It's a big deal for me because it's been a struggle and we are trying to get things back in order. So today I am going to be cash stuffing $200 in total. The budget is a little snug, okay? It is snug as a bug on a rug, but we are gonna make it work, okay? Because every dollar counts. This is what I'm working with. As I stated in my previous videos, I'm more focused on paying down the debts, but I still want to save a little here and there. So let's try to see if I am able to kind of do both things at the same time, because I still want to save and I want to pay off the debts, okay? So I am going to start off with our home. I think I'll update my trackers off camera just for time's sake, okay? So our home will be getting $10. Here we go, our first little $10, okay. Household will also be getting $10. Next up we have medical. Medical is getting 10, and this is my high priority binder. That is why I'm stuffing a little bit more inside of it, okay. Retirement will be getting $10 as well. And you know what? Last year a subscriber asked me to do a video about retirement in Canada, and you know what? I did take the notes and the intentions are still to make that video, so please hold me accountable, all right? I need to get that done, especially with the times that we're living in, okay? Car maintenance is getting $10. Now birthdays are, or what did I say, $10, yeah. So birthday is also getting $10, and you know what? I did not get the correct change. So can you guys even see the tray, the cash tray? Maybe, maybe not. I'll scoot things over a little bit. There it is. So I should have got some more fives and I didn't. So I'm going to have to kind of jot things down on a sticky note and do a little IOU to the envelopes as I take some of the money back to the bank to make the correct change. Okay, so that is that on that. So for my savings, I wanted to put $30 in this particular one. I am going to try to do a monthly saving challenge in this envelope, and I'm already a little bit behind, so we're gonna get caught up though. I'm going to stuff January as well as February together. So from the February one, I'm going to do a 20, and then from the January, oh no, that's not even gonna work. How was I supposed to do this? See, I already messed up. Anyways, I'll just leave that there and then just color it in with my marker here. So I'll do 10 from February and then a 20 from January. So that will give me 30 altogether. Yeah, so that'll give me 30. So I'll kind of try and do my best to stuff January and February together so I get caught up by the time March rolls around. Okay, let's see what we have in here. I have my $5 challenge. This kind of got wet. It is what it is. This one is supposed to get $10. So we're gonna do 2 5s and color off 2 of these diamonds. I'll do this one from my highlighter pack. Hopefully that is visible. It looks a little light, but I was able to color off 2 diamonds. So the challenge has $10 in there. Ooh, Boss Babe, almost forgot. Boss Babe is getting $5. And I have the cutest little tracker here. So we are going to X one of these daisies off. Okay, so that is it for my high priority binder. Moving on into my lifestyle binder. Is it this one? No, this is, oh yeah, it is this one. This one is the one that is gonna get just a little bit of love today. Just a little bit. Just enough to keep it going, okay? So school is getting 5. So we're gonna color in one of these hearts and add $5 to school. Gifts, will be getting 5. Let me just see how many 5s I have. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I will be able to stuff a few of these binders. Gifts will be getting 5. I'm gonna let this kind of dry outside and then I'll add it back after. Then clothes will be getting 5 as well. Yep. That is it. And I get to color off one of the little hearts in the rack. The hangers are worth, what did I say clothes get in? Clothes get in 5, so I can't even color off anything. You know what? I'll just switch this and make each hanger worth $5 and call it a day and color in one of the hearts. I'll put that at the back. Personal is getting 5. Wish list is also getting 5. I'll just leave it in there. Don't want to do too much. Yeah, I'll just leave it in there and color it off camera. And then that should be a-okay. And then I have special events. That is also getting a 5. Okay, so family fun will be getting 5 as well. And I think this is my last $5, y'all. So Costco should be getting a 10. I do have $60 still remaining, but I did not do my little denominations correctly. So hence I'm in a situation where I don't have the correct notes that I need. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of note to myself that Costco is getting $10. And this might seem like a waste, but it is what it is. A waste of my sticky note, that is. So I owe this envelope $10. Registration is owed 5. And this is what happens when you don't plan accordingly. Taxes, 5. So when I take this back to the bank and I do the change, I'll know, well, I pretty much know all I need to do is get a bunch of 5s. Miscellaneous is supposed to get a $5 bill as well. Okay, that is it for my lifestyle binder. Moving on to my self-care binder. So shopping is going to get $10. And each of these icons are worth $10. So I am able to color one of these shopping bags. I'll just color the heart. You can barely see it. I probably need like, you know what, let me use this one. Yeah, color the heart. So I should also say each of the icons are worth $10. And nothing will physically go in here because I still need to break this up and make some change. Okay. Glasses, I'm not stuffing here. Nails is not getting stuffed. Spa is not getting stuffed. Glasses will get 5. And each of these little icons are worth $5. So I will just X off one of the glasses, and that's it. Beauty is supposed to get 5. Okay, I'll do a little check mark because I don't want to color the lips with the black marker. I don't have the markers that I need right now. My daughter borrowed my markers, so it's in her bedroom. Gym is not getting stuff. My gym membership is on pause, so it's not a big deal. And date night is going to get 5. Each of the popcorns, or each of the popcorn bucket is worth $5. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so that is pretty much it. I am gonna just run to the bank, change this out so that I can put the money in each of the envelopes and make sure everything is up to par. That is it for my sinking funds cash stuff in for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was short, sweet, and to the point, right? So yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Until next time, bye y'all.